Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to share with you a little watercolor study based on this picture that I had taken 2 years ago at Nasik, Maharashtra, India. So I hope you will enjoy and watch till the end. I'll begin by drawing a grid based on the rule of thirds that I had shared with you in my previous video. According to this rule, when you divide the paper in this way, the cross sections between the vertical and the horizontal lines make up a place which is the best to place your subject of the painting. And this is absolutely how I start all of my paintings. I'm not going to get into little subtle details in this painting because I'm going to keep it as a plein air style, as loose as possible, because it's not what I generally do. Because as probably you may know that I work mainly on the realistic and hyper-realistic genres. Now what I have done here is I have tilted the board a little bit so that the water flows down. And all the pigments also flow downwards. So this is how I am doing it. Now I think that the sketch is finished. Now I will start the painting process. I'll start by wetting down the paper. In the meantime, when the sky was drying, I have finished the plateau area, the background, and the midground. It's looking very messy, I know, but I hope I will be able to manage it. Let's see. And here it is. The second layer has also dried up. Now I'll be concentrating on the foreground, the trees and the shrubs and the hedges and the bushes. When I will finish the trees, the painting will be over. Now let's see how I do this. The foreground is actually done. I have used salt and sprinkled a bit of water to make this effect, and let's see how it comes out, shall we? So be here till the end, don't go anywhere. Well, the trees in this portion is done. So this portion is left. Now I'll finish these 3 or 4 trees. So the midground and the whole painting will be finished then. So let's find out how it's gonna look.